Hi everyone, I got some new polishes for this video and I thought I'd show you a couple of Halloween nail art ideas. First of all, I got the Kelly Marissa Orly collection and Halloween collection. I'm sure you've probably already seen it. I wasn't going to buy it, but then I just couldn't resist. The glitters and everything are so cute. Fall and Halloween have my favorite colors in them, so I tend to really gravitate towards those polishes. That box was a little annoying to open, but I completely loved these polishes. We've got 3 toppers and 3 jelly polishes. I was especially excited about this black one because there's a lot of like sheer black ideas going around that I love how it looks. So I'm really excited to have a sheer black polish. I also want to show you I got a new polish from Parrot, which I'm completely in love with. This is called Iris and it's a thermal polish. It goes from purple to pink. Now I've been looking at this one actually for a couple of years now. It just takes me forever. I'm so glad that they didn't discontinue it since I love it so much. But I was sad like I didn't get the Kelly Marissa Starly thermal because I really liked that one. It was, if I remember right, a purpley blue with a shimmer, and it went to like orchidy, pinky, fuchsia, whatever. I don't remember, but I think it was more of an orchidy color. It was lighter than this one, the transition. So I'm really happy about this one. This one's got a little sparkle in there. It might be holographic. Yeah, I think there's a little light dusting of holographic sparkle in here, which I didn't know, and I'm super excited about. So here I have swatched it, and this is in its cold state. I think it's appearing a little bit lighter on camera. It's just a touch darker in real life. Now let me show you what it transitions into. This might turn back kind of quickly. It's pretty cold in here. This is the perfect, in my opinion, the perfect Halloween pink color. I completely love it. This is like my new favorite polish. Parrot makes a really lot of nice color changing polishes. They have solar, they have thermals, and I really love them all. But this is my favorite, and I thought it would be so great to do some Halloween nail art with this one. First, I'm going to swatch it for you, and I think thermals can kind of be a little bit on the sheer side, or maybe not real even. So I did build this up in 3 coats, and that's mainly to get the lightest coat completely evenly smoothed out and looking really nice. So here is the first coat. It kind of dries down to a matte finish, so of course you're going to use top coat. Of course you would always use top coat if you want your manicure to last. So here is the second coat. I always have trouble knowing because these sticks always tend out to be way longer than my own nails, and so I know how many coats I can do on my own nails, or how much I can pick up on the brush to get it even on my own nails, but on a swatch stick it's a little bit different. Anyways, here is the second coat. This is the third coat. I thought it'd be fun just to see how the toppers, the Kelly Marissa toppers, looked over this for Halloween. I'm not sure how packed these glitters are, so I'm just starting out with a few because I don't really like a lot of glitter on if I'm just using it as a topper, because I really like the underneath polish to kind of peek through. I think this looks great actually. I was worried that the purples might not show up against the purple, but I think it really does. I was trying to get this green one off. Wow, it does not want to come off. Come on. Make another green one. Oh, the green one's kind of want to stay there. All right, that looks cute. I think it kind of looks a little bit like Halloween paint splatters. As I think it looks pretty cute. So I'm going to stop right there. So this one is Wild Card. This next one is Wing It, which I was really excited about trying on this, but I'm not really sure the little black bats are going to show up very well. So I don't even know if I got any little black bats on there. Oh, let me take a look. No, there are no black bats on here. Let me shake it up and try to get some black bats. Alright, so I'm trying to get a little black bats, so I'm going to just try to put some on here. There's a bat. And there's another bat. Alright, that's good. There's 2 bats. Oh, there's 3 bats. Okay. Got 3 bats. Now I'm going to take a dotting tool and pick it up. No, maybe. And that would have been a good idea, right? And then I can just do some glitter placement. I think that's what Kelly Marissa does. She picks up with a dotting tool. I don't know. Let's see. There's another little bat. And then a third one. Wow, these are little teeny bats. But they'll be perfect for my nails because my nails aren't long. Well, I don't even know if that's upside down or not. But there we go. So we've got 3 bats, and I wasn't sure that they would actually show up against this purple because it's pretty dark and that's pretty black. So, but if I ever get warm, it'll be really cool. And this one was Wing It. And the last one is Spellbound. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, I wasn't that fond of it, like in the bottle. I don't know. I wasn't fond of the orange. But I don't know. Maybe I just love it over this purple. Because I think this looks pretty cool. Yeah, liking it. Okay. Now I'm going to top coat these, and I got a new glitter eating top coat. It's called Glitter's Best Friend. It's by Vibrant Vinyls. I kind of really like Vibrant Vinyls. I always use Maxis as my top and base coat, so this is like nothing. But like this glitter smoothing, this you would use before you put your final top coat on to smooth out the glitter, but you still need that final top coat to give it a really good shine. And on some of my swatch sticks, I use their Wet and Hard. I think it's 5 free. So, but it's kind of a good glitter smoothing top coat. Not to take place of the Glitter's Best Friend, because that will definitely smooth it out better. But this one's pretty good. I don't know about on these Chucky type glitters, but it kind of smooths Crawlies out a little bit. It's just like a good thick top coat. But I still always follow up with my Maxis shiny, long-lasting top coat. Now the fun thing about Vibrant Vinyls, I also got some of their cuticle remover, is you can get it in so many different scents. And I got this in Ruby Red Grapefruit. I don't know, I'm like loving grapefruit scented stuff. Lately I've grapefruit hand soap and everything. And she never had any, and I finally asked her, like, are you going to get any grapefruit? And so she got this in for me. So I like bought a bunch of stuff that was Ruby Red Grapefruit scented. So anyways, let's try out the new Glitter's Best Friend. I am not sure how many coats we're going to need on here. So we'll just start out with one. Since it's not a swatch stick, sometimes I tend to go a little bit thicker because I don't have to wait for it to dry on my fingernails. And we'll have to wait till this dries down before we can tell if we need another one. And I think when it dries that the ruby red grapefruit scent comes out. But I really like it. I've gotten the top coat in it before, and my cuticle remover is also ruby red grapefruit scent. Okay, there's 3 degrees of varying lumpiness. These bats are still a little on the lumpy side, which I expected. This one with the orange one, maybe I just didn't get enough on there, or maybe the glitters are on top of each other, but it's a little bit less lumpy than the bats, but still a little lumpy. And for some reason, this one's like super smooth already. So I'm going to add another coat to these 2. This bat one still looks a little chunky. I just want to see what one more of this smoothing top coat would do for it. So I'm just gonna try this out. I'm capping myself at this. I'm gonna put any more of that stuff on there. And as far as that smoothing top coat, it's just supposed to get in there and kind of smooth out, kind of level off the glitter and fill in the cracks or whatever. So now I'm just putting on the top coat. Just the regular one. And this is just one that I use. I'm just using the Vibrant Vinyls, but I just use this on my swatch sticks. Okay, so now I'm just going to go over this one with, I don't even know if this one's a fast dry top coat. Their fast dry was not 10 free, so I don't want to be breathing in fumes while I'm doing this stuff, especially since it smells so good. Right? Oh, was that out of hand? Anyway, so we are done. We're just waiting for this to dry. I think this one is my favorite. I really love how that one came out. I think I'm going to use this one a lot, or wear this one a lot. And as soon as this is dry, we'll take a look at see what it looks like in pink. So here they are in their cold state. And I'm going to go warm them up and we'll see what they look like in their warm state. And here's what they look like warm. The purple in this topper kind of blends in with the pink. This one looks really great. I love the bats and the little black glitters. That's awesome in that. It's kind of funny because I was thinking this year this is the exact color that I wanted to get, pink, for Halloween. And now I have both pink and purple in one polish for Halloween. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let me know what you think about the polishes. Do you like the video? Are you thinking about getting any of the polishes? Say hi in the comments, whatever you want to say. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.